Are you stressed out about the rest of 2020 and your future? Are you constantly worrying? Is it keeping you up at night, keeping you from making plans or confirming plans? Then this video is for you. I'm going to show you a 2-step method to help you stop worrying about your future. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Master Hypnotherapist Juliet Obodo, and in this video, I'm going to break down 2 ways that you can stop worrying about your future. So as a hypnotherapist, I work with clients that deal with anxiety and depression. And so this leads them to worry constantly about their future, their children's future, and the future of the world. Let alone 2020. So with hypnosis, we're able to go in and create the necessary shifts to help them start to see reality as a thing that they can actually control. So if you, outside of a session, if you can't book a session, I'm going to share 2 things that you can do, or 2 ways that you can stop worrying about the future on your own. So the first way is to work on your beliefs about the future, about your future. So you need to shift into the belief system that you create your future. Yeah. And so this is important because if you feel in more control of your future, you'll act in a more aligned way towards the future that you ideally want. So if you want this specific job and you believe that you can have it, you're going to act a different way in an interview, right? Than someone who believes that they don't have control of their future and they can't have what they want. You're going to act a different way on a date if you believe that this is the person that you're going to end up with. You're going to act a different way if you believe that your family's protected and you're protected. You're going to act a different way if you believe that the world is not ending. So shifting into that belief will shift your behavior onto the path, into alignment with your ideal future. Your beliefs create your reality. So how do you actually change your beliefs? So without hypnosis, so if you don't book a session or join one of my brain training programs, I actually have a program called Reset Your Reality, and it's a combination of subconscious manifestation and the Master Your Beliefs program. So these 2 programs help you shift your brain and your belief system into one where you feel in complete control, because it's a shift, a daily shift. And then you look behind you after 30 days and you're like, wow, I actually do create my reality. So you can do that with brain training. If you can't do brain training, you can do it with affirmations and daily meditation with the mantra, I create my reality. I create my reality. I create my reality. And you have to do the affirmations or the meditation mantra for about 67 to 90 days for you to get the same effects that you would get with training your brain for 33 days. So you have those 2 options in order to shift your belief systems. You can also join a group hypnosis activation or a one-on-one session to do it within 24 hours. So you actually have 3 options in order to shift your belief system. So that's the first way, shifting your belief system into one where you have control over your reality and you believe it fully. And so that is going to make you feel in more control, and you'll act in alignment with your ideal future. All right, now the second way, this is for people that are great with visualization I have clients that come to me for hypnosis that are terrible at visualization, but with hypnosis, it doesn't matter because I'm still able to take them there in their minds because I'm present. But if you can't book a hypnosis session, you can focus on visualizing your ideal reality. But the way that you visualize is different than, other people that tell you how to visualize or your ideal day or your perfect day. I don't want you to visualize your ideal day or your perfect day. So think about your ideal reality or your ideal outcome or scenario, right? Think about that. How do you want things to work out? Now, think about everything working out in 6 months from that point. So everything worked out. Now take yourself to the future 6 months ahead after everything worked out. Now that everything worked out after 6 months, how will a Wednesday afternoon look for you? If everything worked out, and 6 months from that point in time that everything worked out, how will a Wednesday afternoon look for you? What will you be wearing? How will you look? Who's with you? Where are you? And most importantly, how do you feel? What do you hear? Incorporate all of your senses in this moment on this Wednesday afternoon, 6 months from the date that everything worked out for you. See yourself there. Look through your own eyes, looking around. Who are you with? What are you wearing? What do you hear? Someone speaking to you? And most importantly, how do you feel? And then whenever you feel worrying creep up, go back to that visualization, that Wednesday afternoon, 6 months after everything worked out. Take yourself to that moment. See yourself in that moment. Who is with you? What do you see? What do you hear? And what do you feel? And so that is going to be training your brain to look ahead after the point and to start to expect everything working out. Train your brain to expect everything working out and the best case scenario. So those are 2 ways that you can stop worrying about your future. And if you want to take it further and make this automatic versus conscious, like something that you have to do on your to-do list or something you have to do every morning or every night, start training your brain. The link for Reset Your Reality is below. And then you can also join a free workshop, Identity in the Brain, to help you create mental alignment between your conscious mind, your subconscious mind. And you can also check out the group hypnosis activation, or you can check out a one-on-one session with me. Now, if you like this video, like and share it, especially on Twitter. I'm not on Twitter, so it'd be really useful if you can share it on Twitter, share it on Reddit for people that are struggling right now with anxiety, share it on Facebook in any anxiety groups that you're part of. This works. It works. As someone who formerly dealt with intense and severe anxiety, it definitely works. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you tried it and it worked for you. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Be sure to set the bell notification if you don't want to miss any. All right, bye.